Home Show.
Ryan from Conroe has a question about pooling water.
Yeah, because his pool decking grades down toward the house right here, as you can see in this picture. He's even labeled it in case you couldn't spot it there. All right. So Ryan writes, I know that over time this can affect our foundation, and I'd like to get a drain put in. The area is a bit precarious because the drain would have to go underneath the pool decking. The area with the rocks and debris, he says, are eventually going to be filled in with concrete. So I'd like your advice on handling this drainage issue.
Well, get a licensed irrigator, number one, who is a drainage specialist. I'll say specialist instead of expert, because some of them might not be experts. I don't know. But anyway, and I would start that route, and you might have to talk to several people. You should handle it. You really don't want it pooling that much. If it's because the concrete settled, then that's a different situation than putting in a drain. So you really need to have it looked at. And I'm not sure what else to say, but licensed irrigators in the state of Texas are licensed for sprinkler systems and drainage systems.
So this would be a call to Family Landscapes. Get Thomas out there to take a look at it.
It would be a call to Family Landscapes. If we find that the concrete is actually just settled because of voids, then it would be a call to
Concrete Raising Corporation.
That's right, CRC. Concrete Raising Corporation. I just want to see if you're listening.
I'm right.
Anyway,
I've resolved to stay awake during the whole show too. Just
yes. And what about this? What about in between? If you find that it didn't settle, it was just poured wrong, but you have enough room, and I'm looking at the picture again, you might have enough room. Concrete Raising Corporation with just a little bit, 3/4 of an inch, just to raise it up a little bit, might solve your whole problem without a drain at all.
Mm-hmm. So that's
I'd
another
call
way
them
to
all.
go.
They're just going to come out and give you educated guess about, hey, this is what we can do. I won't even call it a guess, but educated solution.
Would you start with CRC or would you start with Thomas?
I don't know enough about it with just this picture.
Yeah, because we can't see the level or the context of it.
I don't know what's going on around it, where we're going to move the water. I probably would start with Tom. I don't think Tom would want to bust this up, put in a drain, and do all that if he thought even that, hey, if you raise it up just a little bit or even tilted it a little bit, and Concrete Raising Corporation could do that, maybe that's the best solution for them, because this is going to be a bigger job than you think, the way he's thinking about putting a drain in concrete that's already been poured.
Hey, Tom, if you take a look at the picture one more time, you see where he has the gravel there and he says he's going to fill that in with concrete?
I see that.
I'm wondering about that and his foundation. If the foundation of all it was engineered and the house has been built with all the time, and the moisture that's getting in there is suddenly not going to be getting in there if he puts concrete down, if he might be biting off a bit of a problem.
That's why you get the drainage guys in. Call Tom at Family Landscapes and see what you got to do. But somebody's got to come up with a solution. And you know what? A licensed irrigator like Tom at Family Landscapes will come up with a solution, which might include somebody like the Raising Corporation or CRC, somebody to raise the concrete, tilt the concrete, put a drain in before they pour the concrete. And he could, of course, pour the concrete to finish it all off at Family Landscapes.
Right, when it's all done, if he's going to do more. Exactly,
yeah, it could be a combination of a couple contractors.
Could be, and Tom be the place to start. All right, you want to come to our Tom, he can help you with your problems. Go ahead and around the house, that is. He's not licensed for counseling or anything like that. You find somebody you need somebody with a couch for that one. All right, visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill in that form.
I have a couch. I have several.
Yeah. If it's not one thing, it's your mother. Okay, listen. So go to HomeShowRadio.com, fill out the form, send it in. We'll put up a video just like this to answer your question and help you out. And we post them every day on our website, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel. Have you found that yet? If you subscribe and click the bell, you'll be notified. And if any of the answers kind of strike your fancy, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. All the kids are doing it.